what is up guys? Natasha here and I'm at Poco KL for the launch of the Samsung Galaxy A50s and A30s. If you guys don't know, these are some value for money phones with some flagship features. Okay, you wanna know more? Let's check it out. Let's start off with the Samsung Galaxy A50s, which is the better device between the two. Tech specs of the phone include a 6.4-inch FHD Plus Infinity U AMOLED display, the Exynos 9611 chip, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, 4000 mAh battery with 15W fast charge support. For the camera, the A50s comes with a triple rear camera setup with 48 megapixels, 8 megapixels ultra wide, and 5 megapixel depth sensors. As for the selfie camera, you'll find a 32 megapixel sensor. The A50s video recording comes with a super steady feature for cool videos. As for the Samsung Galaxy A30s, this device comes with a 6.4-inch HD Plus Infinity V AMOLED display, the Exynos 7904, 4GB of RAM, 64GB of internal storage with 15W fast charge support and more. Camera-wise, you'll find a triple rear camera setup with 25 megapixels, 8 megapixels ultra wide, and 2 megapixels depth. As for the selfie camera, you'll find a 16 megapixel sensor. Both smartphones come with an on-screen fingerprint reader. The design looks super cool and comes in 3 colors. Alright guys, if you guys want to know more about the smartphone, head on over to technave.com to find out the full information about this phone because you definitely should, it's really cool. Okay guys, I'm Natasha. I'm about to take some really cool videos with this phone because you know what, the camera on this is really cool. Bye guys!